favorite thing about using eMaint is the configurability, being able to customize. I really get pretty nerdy in there and set my own workflows and do all my own reporting, and just the challenge within it to get your outcome to be what you're trying for. Data's only as good as what's going in. Trying to automate what you can with workflows, I mean, that goes a long ways. They value that their input's being heard. You get that buy-in there, so then they're using it more and they're like, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? And pretty soon you got a pretty awesome system when you start collaborating like that. Our biggest ones are, so labor hours planned versus executed, because we can then tell if a PM's, pencil whipped, if it should take 20 hours and they put 1 hour on it, like there's no way you could have did this. So that's a big one. We're tracking technician utilization just for headcount justification. We hear this from every maintenance manager, we don't have enough people. Well, are you logging 80, 85% of your time? What are your guys doing all day? That way we can see where their pain points are. I started out my career as a technician, so just the Fluke brand in itself. So Fluke was always the quality tool to go with. So I've known that name for years. And so, I mean, knowing that the quality product you could get from their hand tools, I could only imagine was just as good for eMaint. And then it proved to be true.